Keep your spine straight, close your eyes, take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in, hold it there. Oh. 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 ॐ श्री गणेशाय नमः। ॐ श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ॐ श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। समस्तजनकल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं यो अन्तः प्रविश्य मम वाचमिमां प्रसुप्तां सञ्जीवयत्यखिलशक्तिधरस्वधाम्ना अन्यांश्च हस्तचरणश्रवणत्वगादीन् प्राणान्नमो भगवते पुरुषाय तुभ्यं प्राणान्नमो भगवते पुरुषाय तुभ्यं हरिः ओम् श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ओम् अगजानन पद्मार्कं गजाननमहर्निशम् अनेकदन्तं भक्तानाम् एकदन्तमुपास्महे श्रीमहागणपतये नमः गुरवे सर्वलोकानां भिषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः गुरवे सर्वलोकानां भिषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलं स्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां हयग्रीवमुपास्महे श्रीहयग्रीवमूर्तये नमः सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धेर्भवतु मे सदा श्रीमहासरस्वत्यै नमः उमाकोमलहस्ताब्जसम्भावितललाटकं हिरण्यकुण्डलं वन्दे कुमारं पुष्करस्रजं वेट्रिवेल् मुरुगनक्क हर हरो हर भूतनाथ सदानन्द सर्वभूतदयापर रक्ष रक्ष महाबाहो शास्त्रे तुभ्यं नमो नमः स्वामिये शरणमय्यप्पा कोमलङ्कूशनं वेणुं श्यामलोऽयं कुमारकः वेदवेद्यं परं ब्रह्म भासतां पुरतो मम सायंकाले वनान्ते कुसुमितसमये सैकते चन्द्रिकायाः त्रैलोक्याकर्षणाङ्गं सुरवरगणिका मोहनापाङ्गमूर्तिम् सेव्यं शृङ्गारभावैः नवरसभरितैः गोपकन्या सहस्रैः वन्देऽहं व्रासकेलीरतमतिशुभगं पश्य गोपालकृष्णम् आनीलश्लक्ष्णकेशं ज्वलितमकरसत्कुण्डलं मन्दहासस्यन्दाद्रं कौस्तुभश्री परिगतवनमालोरुहाराभिरामम् श्रीवत्साङ्गं सुबाहुं मृदुलसदुदरं काञ्चनच्छायचेलं चारुस्निग्धोरुमं भोरुहललितपदं भावयेऽहं भवन्तम् श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव सदा सर्वत्र गोविन्द नाम संकीर्तनं गोविन्दा गोविन्द मोक्षाब्धिसारमय भागवताख्यदद्धो नारायणीय नवनीतमोहो गृहीत्वा मायामयौघपरितप्तजनाय योगात् नारायणावनिसुराय नमोऽस्तु तस्मै गङ्गा गीता च गायत्रपि च तुलसिका गोपिका चन्दनं तत् सालग्रामाभिपूजा परपुरुष तथैकादशी नाम वर्णाः एतान्यष्टाप्य यत्नान्यपि कलिसमये त्वत्प्रसादप्रवृद्ध्या क्षिप्रं मुक्तिप्रदानीत्यभिददृशयस्तेषु मां सज्जयेथाः हरये नमः गोपिका जीवन स्मरण गोविंदा गोविंद श्री പൊന്നുഗുരുവായൂരപ്പനെ ശരണം ആനന്ദ ചിന്മയനെ ശരണം ചോട്ടാനിക്കര ഭഗവതി അമ്മയെ ശരണം നാരായണ അഖില ഗുരോ ഭഗവം നമസ്തേ. Pranams to the Lord. Pranams to all the Mahatmas in tonight's Narayaniyam session. We are on this beautiful verse, but we are going to take a break for the June. But now, like today, we are going to see Prahlad Charitra. Then we have to wait for some time to see the Narasimha Avatara. We have to wait for Gajendra Moksha, and then after following couple of thereafter more, then we have Rama Avatara. So now after this, like, there's going to be beautiful and little bigger verses also would come, but we'll have to wait. So we will use the waiting period to whatever we have learned to solidify the first 24, including today's Dashakams, and then we'll be ready for Narsimha Avatara. So without losing further time, let us immediately start off. So we can't be right. Okay. So we have done this Vrittam we have done before. Quickly, quick revision. Shikharini, how many syllables? What is Yati?
17 syllables.
17, 6 plus 11.
6 plus 11. So after, so we know now in this, so though it is little bigger, we know at 6 we have to pause and then go ahead. Where the word is complete, we will go ahead holding all the other 11 words along with it. Okay. So who's starting? Arjun, you are starting that. So Dashakam 24, very beautiful Prahlada Charita is coming. Shikharini Chandas. Hiranyakshe pot. So now Potrip Pravara is one word. So Potrip Pravara Vapusha. So that word, so though Potri is the break, the Yati, but because we can't stop at Potri, we will hold that line full. So Pravara is great. Vapusha is the body, Potri the boar. So in the boar body, in that sense it is. Okay. Hiranyakshe potri pravara vapusha deva bhavata.
हिरण्याक्षे पौत्रिप्रवरवपुषा देव भवता
हते शोकक्रोधग्लपितधृतिरेतस्य सहजः. So I didn't pause over there so that we go together and not break it in between, and also we will get the dvitvas in it correctly.
हते शोकक्रोधग्लपितधृतिरेतस्य सहजः
Hiranyaptarambhah kashipu. So prarambhah, it will go like that, but we are not going to. So that the meter what we chose, it is similar for all the 4 lines. So we will do rambhah kashipu and not rambhaha over there. Okay. Hiranyaprarambhah kashipu mamarari tisadasi.
हिरण्यप्रारम्भः कशिपुरमराराति सदसि
We will do Hiranyaprarambhah kashipuramaraarati sadase.
हिरण्यप्रारम्भः कशिपुरमराराति सदसि
प्रतिज्ञामातेने तव किल वधार्थं मधुरिपो. Matene, we can pause, but I'm just holding it with that same 3 lines together.
प्रतिज्ञामातेने तव किल वधार्थं मधुरिपो
हिरण्याक्षे पौत्रि प्रवरवपुषा देव भवता हते क्षोकक्रोधग्लपितधृतिरेतस्य सहजः
हिरण्याक्षे पोतृप्रवरवपुषा देव भवता हते शोकक्रोधग्लपितधृतिरेतस्य सहजः
हिरण्यप्रारम्भः कशिपुरमरारातिसदसे प्रतिज्ञामातेने अवकिल वधार्थं मधुरिपो
हिरण्यप्रारम्भः कशिपुरमरारातिसदसि प्रतिज्ञामातेने तव किल वधार्थं मधुरिपो हिरण्याक्षे पौत्रिप्रवरवपुषा देव भवता हते शोकक्रोधग्लपितधृतिरेतस्य सहजः हिरण्यप्रारम्भः कशिपुरमरारातिसदसि प्रतिज्ञामातेने तव किल वधार्थं मधुरिपो
Very good. Hiranyakshe, Madhuripo, where it went. Huh. So, Hiranyakshe, Potri, Pravara, Vapusha, Deva, Bhavata. That Deva is there, right? That Deva in the first line and that last word, Madhuripo. So, Deva Madhuripo. It says, O Lord, who is Madhuripa, who has slayed Madhu demon. Okay. Then, when this Hiranyakshe, so when Hiranyaksha, Hate, first line Hiranyakshe, second line Hate. So when this Hiranyaksha was killed, then what has happened? Potri Pravarapusha Bhavata. You took the form of Pravara, very very powerful. Very powerful form of Varahavatara you had taken that time. Potri, that boar avatar you had taken. But Shoka, Krodha, Glapita, Dhritiretasya Sahajaha. But Etas Sahajaha, the one who was born with him, with Hiranyaksha. So whose brother? Hiranyakashipu. So Lord has slain Hiranyaksha and etasya sahajaha, his brother, shoka krodha glapita dhrutihi. Glapita, gone. Dhrutihi, mind. Mind is out of balance because of shoka and krodha. So exactly like this. No? When we are in sadness or an anger, we don't have our mental balance. To whom we talk, what we talk, how we talk. In the fit of an anger, anything is possible. So same thing happened to him. To whom? To whom? Now in the third line, it is getting revealed. Hiranya prarambha. How Hiranyaksha is there. Like that the word Hiranya is prarambha. To that Kashipu. Means Hiranyakashipu. So we get now both the names of the brothers Hiranyaksha and Hiranyakashipu. The one whose name is also starting with Hiranya, that Kashipu. What he had felt, Sadasi, in which assembly? Amara. Amaras are who? Gods. And Arati. Arati is who? Enemy. So in the assembly of God who are his enemy. So he's taking he's taking gods as his enemy. In that assembly, Pratijna Atene Kila. Pratijna. He took an oath. Atene. He Pratijna oath. Atene. He took the oath. What? Tava Vadhartham. To kill you. Bhattatariji is saying to Lord that to kill you in the assembly of gods who are his enemy, his brother, whose name starts with Hiranya, that is Hiranyakashipu, took such an oath that he is going to kill the Lord. Hiranyakashipu has it. His mind was out of balance. He was in anger and he was in sadness. Why? Because Varaha Avatar had killed Hiranyaksha. Hiranyaksha was his brother. So in this one verse, so much has been said, which is uh, in our Bhagavad 7th canto onwards, this whole story begins, and many more chapters it will go thereafter onwards. हिरण्याक्षे पौत्रि प्रवर वपुषा देव भवता हते हते शोकक्रोधग्लपित धृतिरेतस्य सहजः हिरण्यप्रारम्भः कशिपुम् हिरण्यः प्रारम्भः कशिपुरमराराति सदसे प्रतिज्ञामातेने तव किल वधार्थं मधुरिपो. Okay. Ish. विधातारं घोरम्
विधातारं घोरं
स खलु तपसित्वा न चिरतः
स खलु तपसित्वा न चिरतः
पुरः साक्षात् कुर्वन्
पुरः साक्षात् कुर्वन्
सुरनरमृगाद्यैरनिधनम्
पुरनरमृगाद्यैरनिधनम्
वरं लब्ध्वा दृप्तः
वरं लब्ध्वा दृप्तः
जगदिह भवन्नायकमिदम्
जगदिह भवन्नायकमिदम्
परीक्षुन्दन्निद्रा दहरत दिवं त्वामगणयन्
परिक्षुन्दन्निन्द्रादहरत दिवं त्वामगणयन्
विधातारं घोरं स खलु तपसित्वा न चिरतः
विधातारं घोरौ स खलु तपसित्वा न चिरतः
पुरः साक्षात् कुर्वन् सुरनरमृगाद्यैरनिधनम्
पुरः साक्षात् कुर्वन् सुरनरमृगाद्यैरनिधनम्
वरं लब्ध्वा दृप्तो जगदिह भवन्नायकमिदम्
वरं लब्ध्वा दृप्तो जगदिह भवन्नायकमिदम्
परीक्षुन्दन्निद्रा दहरत दिवं त्वामगणयन्
परिक्षुन्दन्निन्द्रादहरत दिवं त्वामगणयन्
Lines. विधातारं घोरं स खलु तपसित्वा न चिरतः पुरः साक्षात् कुर्वन् सुरनरमृगाद्यैरनिधनम्
विधातारं घोरं स खलु तपसित्वा न चिरतः पुरः साक्षात् कुर्वन् सुरनरमृगाद्यैरनिधनम्
वरल्लब्ध्वा दृप्तो जगदिह भवन्नायकमिदम् परीक्षुन्दन्निद्रा दहरत दिवं त्वामगणयन्
वरल्लब्ध्वा दृप्तो जगदिह भवन्नायकमिदम् परिक्षुन्दन्निन्द्रादहरत दिवं त्वामगणयन् विधातारं घोरं स खलु तपसित्वा न चिरतः पुरः साक्षात् कुर्वन् सुरनरमृगाद्यैरनिधनम् वरल्लब्ध्वा दृप्तो जगदिह भवन्नायकमिदम् परिक्षुन्दन्निन्द्रादहरत दिवं त्वामगणयन्.
So now he got angry, right? And then he has to now take a revenge also. He has taken such a oath. So immediately what has happened? Tapasitva. Tapasitva tvantavya. Having done something and then going to another action. So tapasitva, having done the tapasa. Na chirataha. Chiram, very late. Na chira, very soon. without any delay, he made Puras Sakshat Kurvan. In front of him, he brought whom? Vidhataram. Who is Vidhata? Creator. Who? Brahmaji. And with his Ghora Tapasitva, Ghoram Tapasitva, with his very severe penance, without any delay, Puras Sakshat Kurvan, in front of him, Puraha in front, Sakshat Kurvan, made him to appear. Whom? Vidhataram. And then he asked for a boon also. What? Sura, God, Nara, human being, Mruga, Adi, Anidhanam. From all these, etc., God, man, beast, there should not be any death for him. Like that, he asks the boon from Brahmaji. And then, Varam Labdhva, like our Tvantavve. Having got the Varam, Druptaha, he became arrogant. And Jagat Iha, this world, Bhavat Nayakam idam. Bhattatriji is saying, you are the master of Iha, this Jagat, this universe, O Lord. You are the master of this world. But Parikshundan is harassing. He harassed and he was destroying. And over there, that Parikshundan, one na has gone. One na is balanced. That has come because of our that Namudagama Sandhi. Two nas have come. There is only one na. It is Chundan. One is gone with that Parikshundan. What is balanced over there is Indra. And Indrat, from Indra, Panchami. From Indra, Aharat, he stole. Divan Tvam Aganayan. So, he has stolen from Indra the heaven. And he has Aganayan, not given any or not caring only for the Lord. He has done all this tormenting gods, people, universe, because now he is mad in anger and his only aim is to kill Lord. This is what Hiranyakashipu's arrogance is increasing. But he has done Ghor Tapa. विधातारं घोरं स खलु तपसित्वा न चिरतः पुरः साक्षात् कुर्वं सुरनरमृगाद्यैरनिधनम् वरं लब्ध्वा दृप्तो जगदिह भवन्नायकमिदं परिक्षुन्दन् निद्रा दहरत दिवं त्वामगणयन्. It is not Nidra, Indrat. So that we'll have to remember. It is Indrat. Nothing to do with Nidra, Nindran. It's not like Indrat. From Indra. Fifth. Okay, sweet two. Come. Nihantun tvam bhuyaha.
निहन्तुं त्वां भूयः
तव पदमवाप्तस्य चरिपोः.
तव पदमवाप्यस्य चरिपोः
तस्य बहिर्दृष्टेरन्तर्दधितहृदये सूक्ष्मवपुषा.
बहिर्दृष्टेरन्तर्दधितहृदये सूक्ष्मवपुषा
नदन्नुच्चैस्तत्रापि
न दन्नुच्चैस्तत्रापि
अखिलभुवनान्ते च मृगयन्.
भुवनान्ते च मृगयन्
यायातं मत्वा
धियायातं मत्वा
स खलु जितकाशी निववृते.
खलु जितकाशी निववृते
निहन्तुं त्वां भूयस्तव पदमवाप्तस्य चरिपोर्बहिर्दृष्टेरन्तर्दधित हृदये सूक्ष्मवपुषा. 1 and 2 line are together because ripo, that word is connected to hridaya in the second line.
निहन्तुं त्वां भूयस्तव पदमवाप्यस्य च रिपो
Vapya, you are saying, right? It is vapta.
निहन्तुं त्वां भूयस्तव पदमवाप्तस्य च रिपो बहिर्दृष्टेरन्तर्दधितहृदये सूक्ष्मवपुषा
मदन्नुच्चैस्तत्राप्यखिलभुवनान्ते च मृगयन् धिया यातं मत्वा स खलु जितकाशी निववृते
निदन्नुच्चैस्तत्राप्यखिल भुवनान्ते च मृगयन् धिया यातं मत्वा स खलु जितकाशी निववृते निहन्तुं त्वां भूयस्तव पदमवाप्यस्तस्य च रिपो बहिर्दृष्टेरन्तर्दधितहृदये सूक्ष्मवपुषा नदन्नुच्चैस्तत्राप्यखिलभुवना ते च मृगयन् धिया यातं मत्वा स खलु जितकाशी निववृते.
Very nice. Thank you, Anika. Okay, so now what happens? Nihantum. So this is like tumunavyay. For what reason? Tum ending means to do something for whatever reason. So over here, nihantum. So over here is to kill. So tvam, to kill you, huyaha, again, tava padam avaptasya, having reached your abode or your feet. Both ways we can take. Now over here we have to take that report to the word hridaye. And sukshma vapushaha bhahihi drushte antar dadhita. So, ripo hridaye. Ripu is enemy. Hridaye. Inside heart. Hridaya, hridaye, saptami. In the enemy's heart, Sukshma Vapusha. Vapu is body. Sukshma, very, um, um, very, very subtle body. Lord entered Kashipu's heart actually. By making himself very small, he entered Hiranyakashipu's body. So Bahir, what is the Bahir Drushte from outside? What it is there? That Lord is not there. Antardadhita, that he has disappeared. So Bahir Drushta, from seeing outward, Lord is not there. But Lord has made himself so small and subtle that he has gone and sat in Hiranya's heart. Then what Hiranyakashipu is thinking? Nadan Uchchaihi, he is roaring very loudly, he is making big sounds. Nadan, roaring, Uchchaihi, loudly. Then Tatrapi, Akhila Bhuvanante cha Mrugayan. Mrugayan, hunting for the Lord. Means he is searching the Lord. He searched over there. He searched Akhila Bhuvana, entire universe he has searched. Lord is not to be found anywhere. So what he thinks, Matva, having thought, what? Bhyayatam, that God has got scared. Bhya, fear. So God has got scared and he alone, Jitakashi. Jitakashi, he thinks that he has won. Nivavrute, he returned. So he roared loudly, he searched God, he hunted for Lord everywhere. Lord is not to be seen anywhere. So he thinks that Lord has got frightened of him and has run away, fled away somewhere. Nihantun tvam bhuyastava padamavaptasya charipor bahirdrishteram tardadhitardaye sukshma vapusha. ददन्नुच्चैस्तत्राप्यखिलभुवनान्ते च मृगयम् धियायातं मत्वा स खलु जितकाशी निववृते. Lata Kartikji, others can raise hands, those who want to volunteer. Number 4. ततोऽस्य प्रह्लादः
ततोऽस्य प्रह्लादः
समजनिसुतो गर्भवसतौ
समजनिसुतो गर्भवसतौ
मुनेर्वीणापाणेः
मुनेर्वीणापाणेः
अधिगतभवद्भक्तिमहिमा
अधिगतभवद्भक्तिमहिमा
स वै जात्या दैत्यः
स वै जात्या दैत्यः
शिशुरपि समेत्य त्वयिरतिं समेत्य त्वयि द्वित्वा शिशुरपि समेत्य त्वयिरतिम्
शिशुरपि समेत्य त्वयिरतिम्
गतस्त्वद्भक्तानाम्
गतस्त्वद्भक्तानां
वरद परमोदाहरणता
वरद परमोदाहरणताम्
ततोऽस्य प्रह्लादः समजनिसुतो गर्भवसतौ
ततोऽस्य प्रह्लादः समजनिसतो गर्भवसतौ
मुनेर्वीणापाणेरधिगतभवद्भक्तिमहिमा
मुनेर्वीणापाणेरधिगतभवद्भक्तिमहिमा
स वै जात्या दैत्यः शिशुरपि समेत्य त्वयिरतिम्
स वै जात्या दैत्यः शिशुरपि समेत्य त्वयिरतिम्
गतस्त्वद्भक्तानां वरद परमोदाहरणताम्
गतस्त्वद्भक्तानां वरद परमोदाहरणताम् ततो यस्य प्रह्लादः समजनिसुतो गर्भवसतौ मुनेर्वीणापाणेरधिगतभवद्भक्तिमहिमा स वै जात्या दैत्यः शिशुरपि समेत्य त्वयिरतिम् गतस्त्वद्भक्तानां वरद परमोदाहरणताम्.
So now in the meanwhile, what happens? Sataha. Thereafter, what happens? O Varada. Varada is in the last line, second word. O Varada. O Varada, giving of the boons. O giver of the boons. Prahladaha. So now the Prahlada's Janma, how it has happened, is coming over here. Samajani. So Samajani Sutaha. So Prahlada was born as a son. And what happened when Garbhavasatau, when he was in the womb, Muner Veena Panehe, the Muni who has Veena in the hand, that means Naradji, from him, Adhigata Bhakvad Bhakti Mahima, he had learned the Bhakti Mahima, devotion, the glory of the devotion to the Lord, he had learned from Naradji when he was in Garbhavasatau, when he was in Garbha. Then, Savai Jatya Daityaha, though he was Jatya Daityaha, though he was born as an Asura, Shishurapi, and though he was only a child, Sametya Tvai Ratim. So, he was Tvai, means Bhattacharya is saying to Lord, in you, he was Ratim. He was always engrossed in you. And Gataha, he became Tvad Bhaktanam, amongst your Bhaktas, Parama Udaharanatam, amongst all your devotees, he was the best example, means he was a role model. this Prahlada was your role model. So when Hiranyakashipu had gone for penance, his penance, that time Indra stole his wife, Kayadu. So this we'll get in that Bhagavad Puran. And she was pregnant that time, he had stolen. But Naradji intercepted over there and he saved. Naradji took Kayadu to his ashram. And there, when Prahladji is in the womb, to her he was imparting the knowledge, but Prahladji was in the womb. And Prahladji learned from Naradji, that's why it is coming. All the story is not there in that. Prahladji learned that time in the womb itself. So when he was born, he came with bhakti towards Lord. And that was like an outstanding one, which was setting example to all other devotees. How no TV and Bollywood has portrayed to us Naradji. My God, each time I hear this, it means I remember it because whole childhood we have spent making fun of Naradji, who is a Maharshi, who is a Devarshi, who is such a knowledgeable person, who has access to all the worlds and beyond the world, and who says only Narayana always, who chants only Lord's name. Come what may, you put him into difficulty, you curse him, you do whatever. Naradji is the one who is always singing Lord's name, and this Bollywood has projected us like this, and we are the fools to believe and grow like that. We never found out, and even if we read about it, we don't believe the books, but we believe Bollywood. In the books they will say, but Naradji is doing this only. We blame people who sit and gossip. Is Narad Muni or what? We give like that. So whenever this happens, I feel means it's so sorry in the heart that how many kshamas we'll ask also will not, that, oh Lord, we've come like this and brought up like this, how foolish of us, like that I feel. But see, he gives like this knowledge, he saves people, gives knowledge only to them. He can talk only of Lord. He has got nothing else to give but teach them Lord's glory, talk about Lord's story, and not only, then the generations also he is giving all those samskaras. How we are brought up, my God, I feel so sad. Means I'm also one of that, no, who have said all that. It's like we means it's all of us, we've grown like this only. We have never glorified Naradji in the way we should have had. ततोऽस्य प्रह्लादः समजनिसुतो गर्भवसतौ मुनेर्वीणापाणेरधिगतभवद्भक्तिमहिमा स वै जात्या दैत्यः शिशुरपि समेत्य त्वयिरतिं गतस्त्वद्भक्तानां वरद परमोदाहरणताम्. So first who is coming? Sahanaji or Sumanaji? One of you come first. Number 5. Surarinav hasyam.
Surarinav hasyan.
Hasyam.
Surarinav hasyam.
Tava charana dasyam nijasute.
Tava charana dasyam nijasute.
Sadrishtva dushtatma.
Sadrishtva dushtatma.
Gurubhirashishikshat chiramamum.
Gurubhirashishik. Gurubhirashishik chiramamum.
Gurubhihi ashishikshat chiram amum. Gurubhirashishikshat chiramamum.
Gurubhirashishik chiramamum.
Guru proktan chasau.
Guru proktan chasau.
Avidamidam abhadraya drudhamiti.
Avidamidam abhadraya
Drudhamiti.
dridhamiti.
Apakurvan sarvam.
अपाकुर्वन् सर्वम्
सर्वं तव चरण भक्त्यैव ववृधे
तव चरण भक्त्यैव ववृधे
सुरारीणां हास्यन् नौ नकार तव चरण दास्यन् निजसुते
सुरारीणां हास्यन् तव चरण दास्यन्निजसुते
तदृष्ट्वा दुष्टात्मा गुरुभिरशिशिक्षच्चिरममुम्
सदृष्ट्वा दुष्टात्मा गुरुभिरशिशिक्षच्चिरममुम्
गुरुप्रोक्तं चासाविदमिदमभद्राय दृढमिति
गुरुप्रोक्तं चासाविदमिदमभद्राय दृढमिति
दृढमिति मी शॉर्ट टी शॉर्ट
गुरुप्रोक्तं चासाविदमिदमभद्राय दृढमिति
चासौ गुरुप्रोक्तं चासौ did I say that time
गुरुप्रोक्तं चा
vidam? Did I say vidam? It should have started with idam. When I said chasau, it should be idam abhadraya. Okay. When I gave that break, I think I said vidam. I things, yeah. Idam, huh? We should start with that. When we did the first one, Guru Proktan Chasau, idam abhadraya. So now we are joining that idam as chasa vidam. Yantavanta. Yantavanta sandhi. Those who are in the sandhi class. Swara sandhi. Au and E. Av has happened. Chasa vida. So Ava has come. Va was not there. So idam. Guru proktan chasa vidamidam abhadraya dridhamiti.
गुरुप्रोक्तं चासाविदमिदमभद्राय दृढमिति
अपाकुर्वन् सर्वं तव चरण भक्त्यैव ववृधे
अपाकुर्वन् सर्वं तव चरणभक्त्यैव ववृधे
सुरारीणां हास्यन् तव चरण दास्यन् निजसुते सदृष्ट्वा दुष्टात्मा गुरुभिरशिशिक्षच्चिरममुम्
सुरारीणां हास्यन् तव चरणदास्यन्निजसुते सदृष्ट्वा दुष्टात्मा गुरुभिरशिशिक्ष चिरममुम्
गुरुप्रोक्तं चासाविदमिदमभद्राय दृढमित्यपाकुर्वन् सर्वं तव चरणभक्त्यैव ववृधे दृढमिति now we are doing dृढमित्यपाकुर्वन् E and Th. Anybody quickly with the sandhi? Miti, apa, E, A.
Yansan.
Yan sandhi.
Yansan.
Very good. Excellent. Excellent. Yan sandhi Pushpanji. Very good. Go ahead.
गुरुप्रोक्तं चासाविदमिदमभद्राय दृढमित् गुरुप्रोक्तं चासाविदमिदमभद्राय दृढमित्य I'm not able to join. दृढमित्यपाकुर्वन् गुरुप्रोक्तं
चासाविदमिदमभद्राय दृढमित्यपाकुर्वन् सर्वं मित्यपा. Me will have a pressure dritva. दृढमित्यपाकुर्वन् सर्वं
गुरुप्रोक्तं चासाविदमिदमभद्राय दृढमित्यपाकुर्वन् सर्वं तव चरणभक्त्यैव ववृधे सुरारीणां हास्यन् तव चरणदास्यन्निजसुते सदृष्ट्वा दुष्टात्मा गुरुभिरशिशिक्षच्चिरममुम् गुरुप्रोक्तं चासाविदमिदमभद्राय दृढमित्यपाकुर्वन् सर्वं तव चरणभक्त्यैव ववृधे
Okay. So, Surareenam Hasyan. Sura gods. Ari, enemy. God's enemy, who? Asura. So, Surarinam Hasya, because Prahlad is like that, he was by Asuras. And he was ridiculed by Asuras. Why? Because Tavacharana Dasyam Nijasute. His own son, Nijasuta, is Tavacharana Dasa. Means Bhattadriji is saying to the Lord that your feet servant means he is devoted to you. And the Asura's son is devoted to you. So all the Asuras were ridiculing, who not the son but father felt so. So Sadrishtva Dushtatma, so that seeing this, Drishtva Tvantave, Dushtatma, seeing this, that Hiranyakashipu is no so evil-hearted, Guru Bhihi, plural, third case, by Guru, many gurus, plural, na? Ashikshat, he got tutored, the father got his son tutored through many gurus and Chiram Amum, and for a very long time. But Guru Proktam Chasau Idam, whatever Guru is telling, Idam Abhadraya, Idam Drudham. So whatever gurus are teaching him, he's saying this is leading only to Abhadra. This is not so very good. And this was a strong resolve that whatever gurus are teaching him, means Asura's guru are going to teach only Asura Vidya, right? As if they are going to teach Deva Vidya. So the gurus of Asuras are teaching him Asuri Vidya only. So he's saying that is not correct. It is not going to lead him towards anything good. And Apakurvan, he removed all that knowledge. He is not accepting all that knowledge. Sarvam, all that what was he taught, he rejected everything. And Tava Charana Bhaktya Eva. What Sandhi? Bhaktya Eva, Bhaktya Eva. A plus A. What happened with Sandhi? Bhaktya, A ki matra plus A. A plus A is giving Bhaktya. I has happened. What happened? With Sandhi? Vruddhi happened over here. Bhaktya. Very good. So, Tavacharana Bhaktya eva, only more devotion, Vavrudhe. He grew up having more devotion only. So, though Hiranyakashipu, however he wanted, and how many ever gurus he must have appointed, but Prahlada's that Drudha Sankalpa is not changing. Surarina Hasyam Tavacharan Dasyan Nijasute Sadrishtva Dushtatma Guru Bhirashishikshat Chiramamum Guru Proktan Chasa Vidamidama Bhadraya Dridhamitya Kurvan Sarvan Tavacharan Bhaktya Vavruthe. अधीतेषु श्रेष्ठम्
अधीतेषु श्रेष्ठम्
किमिति परिपृष्टेऽथ तनये
किमिति परिपृष्टेऽथ तनये.
Just realized we have got only 10 minutes. I didn't know how the time has gone. If you are okay, then I will not do the pada break. Is that okay? At Yati at 6. Can I give the whole line?
Yes, can.
Is it okay with all if I don't pause at 6 and do the whole line? I didn't, because the sun is also shining so brightly out over here. I didn't see that it's so late, but it's actually very late. Bhavad bhaktim varyam abhigadati parya kuladhritihi.
Bhavad bhaktin varyam abhigadati paryakuladhritihi.
Gurubhyo roshitva sahajamatirasyetyabhividan.
गुरुभ्यो रोषित्वा सहजमतिरस्येत्यभिविदन्.
वधोपायानस्मिन् व्यतनुत भवत्पादशरणे.
वधोपायानस्मिन् व्यतनुत भवत्पादशरणे
अधीतेषु तेषु श्रेष्ठ इज द्वित्वा ओके अधीतेषु श्रेष्ठं किमिति परिपृष्टेऽथ तनये भवद्भक्तिं वर्यामभिगतति पर्याकुलधृतिः
अधीतेषु श्रेष्ठन् किमिति परिपृष्टेऽथ तनये भवद्भक्तिं वर्यामभिगदति पर्याकुलधृतिः
गुरुभ्यो रोषित्वा सहजमतिरस्येत्यभिविदन् वधोपायानस्मिन् व्यतनुत भवत्पादशरणे
गुरुभ्यो रोषित्वा सहजमतिरस्येत्यभिविदन् वधोपायानस्मिन् व्यतनुत भवत्पादशरणे अधीतेषु श्रेष्ठन् किमिति परिपृष्टेऽथ तनये भवद्भक्तिं
Is it my connection or Sahana's connection? Am I audible?
You are audible,
Yes,
ma'am.
yes.
Her connection is gone.
You are audible.
You are. I think it's her connection. Yeah,
Okay.
frozen.
It's fine. We'll directly go for the meaning. Adhiteshu. So this is Saptami. Adhiteshu is a Saptami. Shreshtham. Amongst that, what you have Adhita, have you studied, what is Shrestha? What is the great? What is the greatest thing? What is the best thing that what amongst what you have studied? Iti pariprushte Thatanaye, to his son, when pariprushta, when asked like this, what is the best thing you have studied? Then the son would answer, Bhavat Bhaktim Varyam. Bhattatiri is saying that your bhakti to you is Varyam, bhakti to Lord is Shrestha. Bhattatiri is saying Bhavat Bhakti. Oh Lord, bhakti to you is great. Abhigadati Paryak. So Abhigadati, when he would say, the son would say like this, means Prahlad would say like this, then Paryakula Dhruti, that would enrage his father even more. His again mind would get, very agitated. Then Gurubhyo Roshitva, having got angry on the gurus, Roshitva, angry, having got angry on all the gurus, Sahaja Matihi Asya iti Abhivadan. Sahaja Mati, natural inclination. It's like that for his son. They said to him that, and having understood that his son is not going to change, gurus can be changed, but the son is going to remain like this. Then what happened? Vyatanuta planned. What? Vadhopayan asmin. It's better to kill such a son. So I am going to kill the son is what? Vyatanuta, his father planned. Because Bhavatpada Sharane, to have refuge in your feet is his natural inclination. Nothing can be taught to this child. This child is non-repairable. His father is thinking, so better kill the son. अधीतेषु श्रेष्ठं किमिति परिपृष्टेऽथ तनये भवद्भक्तिं वर्यामभिगदति पर्याकुलधृतिः गुरुभ्यो रोषित्वा सहजमतिरस्येत्यभिविदं वधोपायानस्मिन् व्यतनुत भवत्पादशरणे वन्दे Number 7. Sashulairavviddhah subahumethito diggajaganairmaha. We'll continue there. But ganaihi.
सशूलैराविद्धः सुबहुमथितो दिग्गजगणैः
महासर्पैर्दष्टोऽप्यनशन गराहार विधुतः Not drishto,
महासर्पैर्दृष्टोऽप्यनशनगराहार
dashto, dashto.
सर्पैर्दष्टोऽप्यनशनगराहारविधुतः
गिरीन्द्रावक्षिप्तोऽप्यहः परमात्मन्नैविभो
गिरीन्द्रावक्षिप्तोऽप्यहः परमात्मन्नैविभो
त्वयि न्यस्तात्मत्वात् किमपि न निपीडामभजत
त्वयि न्यस्तात्मत्वात् किमपि न निपीडामभजत त्वयि न्यस्तात्मत्वात् किमपि न निपीडामभजत
सशूलैराविद्धः सुबहुमथितो दिग्गजगणैर्महासर्पैर्दष्टोऽप्यनशनगराहारविधुतः Sorry.
सशूलैराविद्धः सुबहुमथितो दिग्गजगणैर्महासर्पैर्दष्टोऽप्यनशनगराहारविधुतः
गिरीन्द्रावक्षिप्तोऽप्यहः परमात्मन्नैविभो त्वयि न्यस्तात्मत्वात् किमपि न निपीडामभजत
गिरीन्द्रावक्षिप्तोऽप्यहः परमात्मन्नैविभो त्वयि न्यस्तात्मत्वात् किमपि न निपीडामभजत सशूलैराविद्धः सुबहुमथितो दिग्गजगणैर्महासर्पैर्दष्टोऽप्यनशनगराहार विधुतः गिरीन्द्रावक्षिप्तोऽप्यहः परमात्मन्नैविभो त्वयि न्यस्तात्मत्वात् किमपि न निपीडामभजत
See, over here now. Saha Shulairaviddha. Shula, the Trishula, by spear. Aviddha. He was pierced by Shula. Then Subahu means so many times he is pierced. Then Mathitaha Dig Gaja Ganaihi. With big elephants, he was stamped upon, trampled upon. Mathitaha, trampled by elephants. Okay. Mahasarpaihi Dashtaha. Poisonous snakes and Mahasarpas, he was made bitten by the snakes. Okay. Also, and Anashana. Anashana means he was not given food. Anashana. Then Garahara. Gara is Visha. Poisonous food was given. Vidutaha means all these things was done for him. Then Girindravakshiptaha. From Girindra, from the big mountains, Akshiptaha. He was thrown from the big mountains. Ahaha. Oh my God, what a wonder this is. Paramatman Ai Vibho. Oh Lord. Oh Vibhu. Tvai Nyasta Atmatvat. Atmatva Tvai Nyasta. His self, he had surrendered to you. So kimapi, nothing, na nipidam abhajat. Nipidam abhajat. There was no suffering. Means now there is no pain, there is no suffering, though whatever his father tortured him, because Atmatvat, his self surrendered to Lord. He's not feeling any suffering. Beautiful. सशूलैराविद्धः सुबहुमथितो दिग्गजगणैर्महासर्पैर्दष्टोऽप्यनशनगराहारविधुतः गिरीन्द्रावक्षिप्तोऽप्यहः परमात्मन्नैविभो त्वयि न्यस्तात्मत्वात् किमपि न निपीडामभजत पुष्पाजी number 8. It's already 9 and we have 3 more. I hope in Devi Gita, I think we need to announce. See, wait till about 9:13 or something before you announce, and we'll see how much we can cover. ततः शङ्काविष्टः स पुनरति दुष्टोऽस्य जनकः
ततः शङ्काविष्टः स पुनरतिदुष्टोऽस्य जनकः
गुरुक्त्या तद्गेहे किल वरुणपाशैस्तमरुणात्
गुरुक्त्या तद्गेहे किल वरुणपाशैस्तमरुणत्
गुरोश्चासान्निध्ये स पुनरनुगान् दैत्यतनया
गुरोश्चासान्निध्ये स पुनरनुगान् दैत्यै गुरोश्चासान्निध्ये स पुनरुनगान् दैत्यतनयान्
पुनरनुगान्
गुरोश्चासान्निध्ये स पुनरुनगान् दैत्यतनयान्
You're saying punaranu.
पुनर गुरोश्चासान्निध्ये स पुनरनुगान् दैत्यतनयान्
भवद्भक्तैस्तत्त्वं परममपि विज्ञानमशिषत्
भवद्भक्तेस्तत्त्वं परममपि विज्ञानमशिषत्
ततः शङ्काविष्टः स पुनरति दुष्टोऽस्य जनको गुरुक्त्या तद्गेहे किल वरुणपाशैस्तमरुण
ततः शङ्काविष्टः स पुनरतिदुष्टोऽस्य जनको गुरुक्त्या तद्गेहे किल वरुणपाशैस्तमरुणत्
गुरोश्चासान्निध्ये स पुनरनुगान् दैत्यतनयान् भवद्भक्तेस्तत्त्वं परममपि विज्ञानमशिषत्
गुरोश्च स पुनरनुगान् दैत्यतनयान् भवद्भक्तेस्तत्त्वं परममपि विज्ञानमशिषत् ततः शङ्काविष्टः स पुनरतिदुष्टोऽस्य जनको गुरुक्त्या तद्गेहे किल वरुणपाशैस्तमरुणत् गुरोश्चासान्निध्ये स पुनरनुगान् दैत्यतनयान् भवद्भक्तेस्तत्त्वं परममपि विज्ञानमशिषत्
So now what happens? Whatever his father is doing, nothing is working. So, tataha shanka vishtaha. This father really got, Shankavishta, very much doubts, very much perturbed, very much confused. And of course, when all this happens, a fear only comes. Then, what he does, Punar ati dushtasya janakaha, so ati dushta, so very bad, cruel, asya janakaha, his father, Guruktya, Guruktya, third case, by the Guru's words, whatever the Guru's advice, Tadgehe, in Guru's house, Saptami, Geha house, Kila, Varuna Pashaihi, by ropes, Tam, Runat, tied him. So now nothing is working. So the Guru said, you leave him in my house, we will tie him up in my house and keep. Then, means he has to hear what Gurus are teaching, right? But what he did, Guroho cha asannidhye. So when Guru is teaching, okay, fine. But when Guru will go away, asannidhya, when Guru is not there, when there is no Guru's presence, then sa means he means Oiha Prahladji. Punaha anugan daitya tanayan. Anugam Daitya Tanayan, Anuga, the one who are going with him, means other students. Daitya asuras, demons, tanayan, children. So with him, all the other asura children who are also studying over there. They're like students over there who are also with him. Bhavad bhakte tattvam paramamapi vidnyanam ashishat. He taught what? To those children, devotion to the Lord, Paramatattva, everything. So Prahlad ji is teaching the Daitya children all about Bhavad Bhakti, your Bhakti. Bhattatari ji is saying Bhavad Bhakti, your Bhakti, devotion to you, and the Paramatattva, everything. He is teaching to Asura children. ततः शङ्काविष्टः स पुनरतिदुष्टोऽस्य जनको गुरुप्त्या तद्गेहे किल वरुणपाशैस्तमरुण गुरोश्चासान्निध्ये स पुनरनुगान् दैत्यतनयात् भवद्भक्तेस्तत्त्वं परममपि विज्ञानमशिषत्. Okay, Lataji. Number 9. Pita Shrinvan Bala Prakaramakhilan Twatstutiparam.
पिता शृण्वन् बालप्रकरमखिलां त्वत्स्तुतिपरम्
Rishandhav Prahainam Kulahataka Kaste Balamiti.
रुषान्धः प्राहैनं कुलहतककस्ते बलमिति
बलं मे वैकुण्ठस्तव च जगतां चापि सबलम्.
बलं मे वैकुण्ठस्तव च जगतां चापि सबलम्.
over there द्वित्वा स एव त्रैलोक्यं सकलमिति धीरो यमगदी.
स एव त्रैलोक्यं सकलमिति धीरो यमगदीत्.
पिता शृण्वन् बालप्रकरमखिलं त्वत्स्तुतिपरं रुषान्धः प्राहैनं कुलहतककस्ते बलमिति.
पिता शृण्वन् बालप्रकरमखिलं त्वत्स्तुतिपरं रुषान्धः प्राहैनं कुलहतककस्ते बलमिति.
बलं मे वैकुण्ठस्तव च जगतां चापि सबलं स एव त्रैलोक्यं सकलमिति धीरोऽयमगदी.
बलं मे वैकुण्ठस्तव च जगतां चापि सबलं स एव त्रैलोक्यं सकलमिति धीरो यमगदीत्. पिता शृण्वन् बालप्रकरमखिलं त्वत्स्तुतिपरं रुषान्धः प्राहैनं कुलहतककस्ते बलमिति. बलं मे वैकुण्ठस्तव च जगतां चापि सबलं स एव त्रैलोक्यं सकलमिति धीरो यमगदीत्.
This is my most favorite line, and it just brings me joy when I read these lines, and it really brings the smile. So we will see the meaning, and then y'all also will probably start smiling whenever these lines are read, and you will also feel that joy. So this, he's teaching, right? So then his father, Shrinvan, having heard, Bala Prakaram Akhilam, the whole group of Balas, the whole group of students are Twat Param, your Stuti Para. They are doing your praises so flawlessly, so fantastic. Who all the Asura children are praising the Lord. Then Rushandhaha, blind with anger. Rusha, anger. Andaha, blind with anger. Prahainam, kula hataka. So, praha enam, he said. Praha enam. Again, Vriddhi said. He said, kula hataka. So, means you are making the whole kula Hataka, you are the killer of entire race. What a disgrace, you know, means for our whole, what we say, no, we all parents when they shout, no, for our prestige of our family and all. So, Kula Hataka, Kaste Balamiti, what strength are you carrying? Kaha te Balamiti, whose balam you are carrying? Means why are you doing all this nonsense? And then this Prahlada is replying, balam me, my strength, Vaikuntha. My strength is coming from Vishnu. And he means, look at his courage. He doesn't stop over there. He said, Tavacha, and your strength is also coming from Vishnu. Doesn't stop over there. Jagatam chapi. Of the world also, the whole strength is from Vishnu. Sa Balam. He is the strength of not only that. So Trilokam Sakalamiti. The entire universe Bal is only Sa Eva. He is only having Dhiroyam Agadi. This courageous boy Agadi said. So when he said Ula Hataka Kaste Balam, and he said Balam my Vaikunta, my strength. He's telling to his father, the father has done what all atrocities on him. And then Dhiroyam, Ayam Dhiraha, this courageous fellow, Gadi says, Balam me Vaikuntaha, Tavacha, Jagatan Chapi, Balam Sarvasya, Trailokya Sakalam Vaikuntasya Balam Eva. Beautiful. So I just love this particular verse. Means you need what courage? You just put yourself in that place. Somebody is torturing you. Would you ever open? Will we? Means I don't think so. We have strength to talk against somebody who is torturing us or scolding. Even if, I remembered my school, college days when we were threatened if we talk too much of between Ayurveda and modern, there will always be a fight. So, if you are following Ayurveda, then you are looked down upon. If you follow modern texts, because in Maharashtra, we can practice both allopathy and Ayurveda. So, in our class of 60, I was the only one who had vowed to practice only Ayurveda. I don't want modern. And I was studying only Ayurveda books, and I would learn for that Sanskrit and chant Sanskrit shlokas, all the medical science. But it just looked down upon by other means. You are becoming a doctor. It's such a very pride, because when we are not a doctor and we are aspiring, means it's too much of pride and we have got a lot of show off to do. And then it was looked down upon to the extent the teachers in the class would threaten also and call me some names. And then they would say directly, you come for the Viva. They would say me, Viva is the place where they can, because if you'll ask modern, probably I'll not know. So I had to study both in order to pass also, and they would threaten also that. So then you don't, in mind, we are abusing the teacher or something. Yeah. But but we are not able to say, because all our Viva points are in their hands. So even if you want to back answer your teacher, you keep your mouth shut. Over here, nothing. He's saying your bala is also his to his father, not just my bala, whole Trailokya. You need really courage to stand and talk about it. पिता शृण्वन् बालप्रकरमखिलं त्वत्स्तुतिपरं वृषान्धः प्राहैनं कुलहतककस्ते बलमिति बलं मे वैकुण्ठस्तव च जगतां चापि सबलं स एव त्रैलोक्यं सकलमति स एव त्रैलोक्यं सकलमिति धीरोऽयमगदीत्. So this was long back in 1991, which is like 30 years plus. Until today, the batchmates are with modern, we're having multiple modern hospitals. Until today, I'm stuck to Ayurveda only. But that time I have not answered to my teacher. Last and the best, we go for our daily Gita soon after Jayanti ji. Hare Kwasau Kwasau.
हरे क्वासौ
सकल जगदात्मा हरिरिति
सकल जगदात्मा हरिरिति
प्रभिन्ते स्म स्तंभम् चलितकरवालोदिति सुतः
चलितकरवालोदिति सुतः
अतः पश्चाद् विष्णो न हि वदितुम् ईशोऽस्मि सहसा
अतः पश्याद्विष्णो न हि वदितुमीशोऽस्मि सहसा अतः
कृपात्मन् विश्वात्मन् पवनपुरवासिन् मृडय माम्
कृपास्मन् विश्वात्मन् पवनपुरवासिन् मृडय माम्
अरे क्वासौ सकल जगदात्मा हरिरिति प्रभिन्ते स्म स्तम्भन् चलितकरवालोदिति सुतः
अरे क्वासौ सकल जगदात्मा हरिरिति प्रभिन्ते स्मन् स्तम्भन् चलितकरवालोदिति सुतः
अतः पश्चाद् विष्णो न हि वदितुमीशोऽस्मि सहसा कृपात्मन् विश्वात्मन् पवनपुरवासिन् मृडय माम्
अतः पश्याद्विष्णो न हि वदितुमीशोऽस्मि सहसा कृपात्मन् विश्वात्मन् पवनपुरवासिन् मृडय माम्
For the full one.
अरे क्वासौ सकल जगदात्मा हरिरिति प्रभिन्ते स्मन् स्तम्भन् चलितकरवालोदिति सुतः अतः पश्चाद् विष्णो न हि वदितुमीशोऽस्मि सहसा कृपात्मन् विश्वात्मन् पवनपुरवासिन् मृडय माम्
Beautiful line, but we have to wait for 1 month now. Are, oh, Kwasau, where is he? Where is he? The Sakala Jagadatma Hari. Oh, you are saying this whole soul of the entire universe. Where is he? Where is he? Iti. Like that saying, Prabhinte sma stambham. Prabhinte sma. Whenever you add sma, it is past tense. Prabhinte, stamba is a pillar. Prabhinte, struck. Chalita, Karavala, sword. And he began to strike the pillar. He struck the pillar, not began to strike. Struck. Prabhinte sma, he struck. Diti sutaha. Diti's son means this Hiranyakashipu, Asura. He struck the pillar. Where is your, he's asking, where is your Hari? He's the universal soul. He's this, that. You said, now where is he? Where is he? Then what? Ataf paschat. After this. Ataha, paschat, after this. Vishnu. Oh, Vishnu. What happened? Na vaditum. Ishosmi sahasa. Sahasa, immediately. Na vaditum. I cannot tell you what happened immediately thereafter. Bhattathariji is saying to Lord that he struck the pillar. He is saying, where is your God? And he struck that pillar. Ata paschat Vishnu na vaditum isha sahasa. I just cannot tell you what happened at that moment immediately. I can't tell you over there. Some scene has happened. Then through Patman, Vishwatman, oh, all compassionate one. Pavanapura Vaseno Guru Vairappa Mrudayama. Why you just please me na. So where Pahimam or some Gadaharan. Now you say Mrudayama. Make me happy. You please make me happy means, oh Lord, you please bless me. Such beautiful Bhattathariji says to Lord. And what he is Baditumisha, that is really one beautiful chapter coming ahead. And the chandas is so beautiful, and the verses are so powerful, and the words are so amazing, strong and powerful. So probably we'll change the tone and voice modulate and bring out that thing, and we will see Narasimha Avatar after our break. But till then, we will revel in this beautiful Prahlada's Charitra and keep on listening, and let that give us strength. He had his strength by just putting all of him in Lord. May we also give ourselves to Lord alone and gather strength only from the Lord, because that is only the source. अरे क्वासौ सकल जगदात्मा हरिरिति प्रभिन्ते स्म स्तंभं चलित करवालोदिति सुतः अतः पश्चाद् विष्णो न हि वदितुमीशोऽस्मि सहसा कृपात्मन् विश्वात्मन् पवनपुरवासिन् मृडय माम् सदा सर्वत्र गोविन्द नाम संकीर्तनम् गोविन्दा गोविन्दा नारायण अखिल गुरो भगवन् नमस्ते. Hari Om everyone. We will run to daily Gita, but if anybody has any doubt, quickly in 1 or 2 minutes, we can have the doubts, because there's a big gap coming and you need to practice these 4 dashakams, which we have not practiced from 21 to 24.
Varsha, this is Lakshmi. Can we have a class tomorrow maybe and finish 25 dashakam? Are you free tomorrow?
Let me see. I'll just see how, because day after tomorrow I have to leave. I'll just, okay. In fact, me and Veena, we were thinking that both of us should chant the whole thing, or I'll let you know. So we thought we'll do one more parayana or something between just me and Veena, or have one more class. Maybe you all want us to Avtara to happen soon. Let us see how. Let me not promise anything. We should bring only the Lord Avtara, because we need it tomorrow. Tomorrow, the TV, everybody's TV will be buzzing since morning. Over here, it's the election result. So we need some Avatara only. After sitting at the Vivekananda rock with his renewed thought and vision, hopefully, whatever happens. Let's see. No. So many options are there. I'll see. If it is possible, definitely we'll hold the class. Then Veena should say, if you hold a class, you want Narasimha Avtara Parayana.
Whatever he wills. Probably it's a very good idea to finish it with Narasimha Avatara, because so beautiful, so beautiful. How to wait for a month, Varsha?
Yes, no, we can't wait. Because
You've
he's
taken
already
us till here and then pulling it back is, yeah. And it needs a lot of practice. So
it needs a lot of practice, and it needs little more time. We may not, 1 hour is not enough, because it's a bigger chandas.
unless we do without the meaning.
Without a meaning.
Still recording, yeah.
Lakshmi, she has already
planted the seed.
The no meaning is tougher. That is the one that is the beauty. Sorry, I lost my voice.
Half an hour before it's possible for all to join. Half an
That
hour
is
before.
it is your typical class time, Varsha. Your practice time is Singapore time 7:30 to 9. Everybody hopefully has blocked that time already. And I'm being very mean to
Anybody,
everybody.
it's inconvenient to join half an hour early. Even any one person will not, because it's a Narasimha Avtara. All are okay? All will join tomorrow, half an hour early? My God. Okay, so without saying anything, Lakshmi, you put it. See, one person, Sankalpa, it comes, no? Okay, yes. And then Veena is saying it, right? Don't make Lord wait, since now it's so much it is there, and Bhattatiri is unable to say something, means what is that scene out over there? Okay, so we meet tomorrow.
Bhagavatam also, is it like this? Will there be, because
yeah, in Bhagavatam
I've
it is
heard
like that with all more details and everything. But the force of the words is in Narayaniya.
no, I've heard Dushyant.
The
Dushyant
alliteration.
has
the power of that Sanskrit is Narayana. Means you on one side you get the power of the words, and other side you get sweetness of the words also. That is Narayana. Bhagavatam is all this is there in great details over not just a few chapters. I think it's like one big process out over there. That's amazing out over there. And he, without losing the essence of Bhagavad, within 10 verses, he has done it. It's that way. And I think we should end the session and go for daily Gita. I hope somebody has messaged over there that we now start within 2-3 minutes out over there. But luckily, it's only first day of the week and one chapter, which takes 15 minutes along with the Gita Dhyana Shloka. So it won't be too late in Singapore. Okay, let's end the session. I know Prahlad's Charita is like that. Now we get so enamored under that we wanted. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Hari Om, everyone. Thank you for joining. See you tomorrow at India time, 5 o'clock. Hari Om.
Hari Om.
Hari Om.
Hari
Thank
Om.
you.
Hari Om.
Thank you.
Oh, it is coming. My God.